So here's my Wizard x220, and I've been having problems with the video transmitter because it's not the one in the manual. It has a button right here that I can press, but no switches or anything, which I've seen in other people's Wizards and online and stuff. And so on the back here, it says Ishin at the top. You can kind of make it out. 48 channels, 5G8, 200 milliwatts, and mini. And I've tried looking for this video transmitter online. I haven't been able to find the exact one. And anyways, I feel like I should be able to change the band, which is what I've been having trouble with. I should be able to change the band without having to use a manual to figure out, but I don't know. So I'm gonna plug in. Alright, so now on the display we have 3 things that flash. So right now it's A, 3 point, and then 2. So now if I take my stick and I push the button down for a few seconds, this number starts to flash. So I can scroll through. These are the channels, right? 1 through 8. Okay, so I want to have it on maybe channel 5, okay. Then I push and hold. This one takes a little longer. Then I come to this number, which goes from 0 to 3. I think it's the power output, but I'm not sure. So now I'll change it to 2 for the sake of showing. So now I push and hold. And nothing, I'm not able to get to the band. It just goes back to the channels, right? So that's a problem. I really need to get to the bands because the video transmitter promises 48 channels, and if I'm not able to get to them, I mean, come on. So I'm just going through it again to show you that I'm not able to get to the band. See, back to the channel. Yeah. So now if I wait for a few seconds, it'll lock in the changes. Okay, so we've got A, and then 2 point, and then 7. So I would like to know why I received the wrong video transmitter, or which video transmitter this one is, and how I'm able to work it, how I'm able to change the band, because I really need to know that. And yeah, so thank you for your help.